Hello there! I know you have been struggling with custom mesh collision lately, and this video is exactly for you. When you import a mesh into Unreal Engine, simple and complex collisions are generated. Simple collision is, as its name suggests, low in poly count and fast. However, it cannot draw concave shapes, like house interiors and more complicated game objects. On the other side of the coin, complex collision can support interiors and more complicated game objects, but it is demanding and 90% of the time unnecessary. The best way to handle collision is through a 3D modeling software like Blender. We'll jump into Blender and try to build our simple collision. Remember that simple collision cannot be concave, only convex. What convex means? If you were to pick any two vertices on your collision mesh, the edge should not leave the interior of your mesh. Convex shapes are cubes, cones, spheres, and cylinders. Add as many shapes you need to represent a collision for your mesh. The most important part of the process is naming the components. Each collision component should have the following name type: UCX _ mesh name _ index. Rename all your collision shapes like that in no particular order. To clean up your working space, select all the shapes, then select the original mesh, hit Ctrl P and select Parent by keeping transforms. You can toggle visibility at any time, but make sure to have them visible when exporting the mesh. To export the mesh, simply select the original mesh along with its collision shapes and export as FBX. Be sure to have the path to copy and check selected objects only. Now you can re-import your mesh into Unreal Engine. If the collision is not detected, you might want to delete your old mesh and re-import the new one. Also, remember to uncheck Generate Collision, as you are importing your own custom collision. And you are pretty much done. I hope you have found this video helpful. Have a great day.